So now I'm going to give you the syllabus of PT6, and after syllabus of PT6 I will be focusing on those topics only. Okay, so wherever you want to write your syllabus for PT6 of English syllabus of PT6, you write it down in your diary or in your copy, wherever you want. English syllabus, English syllabus for PT6. This is the English syllabus for PT6 which I am giving now. For only English grammar topic will come this time, no English literature. What is going to come? See, synonyms, then antonyms, then prefix, and then suffix. These four topics are coming in English. Is that clear? Write it down in your diary, on your copy, wherever you want. This is the English syllabus for PT6. Write it down. This is the PT syllabus. Please write it down. PT syllabus of English. If you are done, please write done. Khushi done. Priyanshu Gupta also done. And those who are going to join later, again, I have to give them this syllabus. I don't know why they are not worried and punctual about the time. Harsh Raj also done. All done. सबने लिख लिया syllabus. Now I am going to erase this, and all of you, please take out your English grammar copy. Today, tomorrow, and day after tomorrow, I will only revise till Friday. From today till Friday, I will only revise EVS and English. Only revision work will go on, okay? Because PT, after that, you will be having holiday, and after holiday, when you will come, you will be having PT6. So today, tomorrow, and on Friday, I will be only revising with you this English and EVS. So all of you take out English grammar copy, and I'm going to revise the synonyms, antonyms, prefix, and suffix. So please take out your English grammar copy. Take out. Take out your English grammar copy. And write the heading English revision for write the heading English revision for PT 6. Okay, and put today's classwork and date. Write here classwork and write here date. Okay. You have written in your copy. Now जो भी रिवीजन में दे रहा हूँ you keep on writing in your English grammar copy. Okay. Make the following डायरेक्शन लिख लो. Make the following words opposite in meaning by adding prefix. So make the following words opposite in meaning by adding prefix. माने जो मैं word दे रहा हूँ उसका तुम लोगों को opposite बनाना है by adding prefix. ये कॉलम बनाओ. ये है वर्ड, ये होगा प्रीफिक्स, opposite word. Okay, right. ये है वर्ड WORD वर्ड, ये कॉलम में प्रीफिक्स और ये है ऑपोजिट वर्ड. दिख रहा है सबको? WORD वर्ड, PREFIX prefix और ये opposite word. Understood everyone? Now I am writing number 1, happy. Okay, so what is the prefix you will use with happy to make it opposite? What is that word? That word is, prefix is un. That means main word is happy, prefix you are using un, and the opposite word has become unhappy. Understood? देख लिया कैसे हुआ? पहले हैप्पी, फिर प्रीफिक्स अन, तो दोनों प्रीफिक्स अन हैप्पी में जुड़कर ये ऑपोजिट वर्ड बन गया अनहैप्पी, जो हैप्पी का ऑपोजिट है. क्लियर? अब नंबर 2, डिसिप्लिन, DISCIPLINE, discipline. Okay, prefix you will use in, in. So what is the opposite word will form? Indiscipline. In, discipline. Indiscipline. Okay? Are you understanding how it all will work? Now number 3. Take the word possible. Possible. Okay? Prefix we will use im. I am im. So what opposite word will be formed? Impossible. I am possible. Impossible. Okay? So possible, main word is possible. We have used the word prefix im and then im, prefix im plus word possible. These both has combined together to form the opposite impossible. Okay? Now number 4. Hello. Now number 4. Now see number 4. We have to form opposite. याद रखना नया वर्ड हम लोग को नहीं करना है, हम लोग को ऑपोजिट फॉर्म करना है. रिमेंबर. ओके? रेस्पेक्ट. RESPECT. रेस्पेक्ट. प्रीफिक्स क्या ऐड करेंगे? DIS. दिस. हम लोग रेस्पेक्ट के साथ प्रीफिक्स यूज करेंगे दिस. तो वो क्या बन जाएगा अपोजिट? डिसरेस्पेक्ट. DISRESPECT. Okay? Respect. By adding prefix with respect, the opposite of respect will be disrespect. All of you have done? All of you have done? If it is done, then please write in the chat done. Anuraj done. Mahi is still writing. Puneet done. Tripti done. Harsh is still writing. Fast. Happy plus prefix un. The opposite word will become unhappy. Discipline, prefix in. Opposite word become indiscipline. Word possible, prefix im. The opposite become impossible. Respect, the word respect and prefix dis. Opposite word disrespect. Okay, opposite बन गया ना? Happy, unhappy, discipline, indiscipline, possible, impossible, respect and disrespect. By adding prefixes on, in, im, this. Done. Harsh and Mahi done. Harsh and Mahi done. These two children are so slow. Prince Raj done. What about Mahi and Harsh Raj? Why they have not done? How slow they are? Mahi done. And what about Harsh Raj? Harsh Raj is only speed in talking. आई कैनॉट वेट फॉर एनी वन पर्सन। तुम लोग वीडियो में देख लेना, ये वीडियो वापस दिया जाएगा ऐप में, उस वीडियो से देख लेना। Now write the directions now. Change the sentences to its opposite. Change the sentences to its opposite form. Change the sentence to its opposite form. यानी कि तुमको इस सेंटेंस को ऐसा लिखना है कि ऑपोजिट, उसका मीनिंग ऑपोजिट हो जाए। ओके, जैसे नंबर 1, राहुल is a fat boy। तुमको लिखना है राहुल is a thin boy। कैन यू सी? जल्दी उतारो, सिर्फ 3 मिनट बाद बचा है, मैं इरेज कर दूंगा। नाउ नंबर 2, this garden is clean and big। क्या होगा इसका? This garden is untidy and small। ऑपोजिट मीनिंग हो गया ये। नाउ थर्ड, keep on writing in your copy, keep on writing in your copy। 2 minutes left। It is a tall building। ऑपोजिट सेंटेंस हो जाएगा इट इज अ शॉर्ट बिल्डिंग। देखो, डन डन। So these are the opposite sentences. 1, Rahul is a fat boy. Opposite sentence will be Rahul is a thin boy। Okay, now this garden is clean and big। Opposite sentence will be this garden is untidy and small। Now third, it is a tall building। Opposite sentence will be it is a short building। Done। Tomorrow and day after tomorrow also we will do revision on PT6। Okay,